Hello, so welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are at Winter Wonderland at Geo World Drive. We are really excited about this place. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
You are too big for that, Gio.
It's really hot outside, so we're just getting a bit cool down in the AC and then we'll step out into the fest. So for this festival, we booked our tickets from bookmyshow.com and the tickets costed us $4.99 plus GST per person. For the child, it was $6.99 plus GST because they had this Lego thing included in it. So as you guys can see, the mall is beautifully decorated. I think Geo World Drive does the best decoration amongst all the malls of Mumbai. So there is so much rush today in this mall. I have never seen so much rush in Geo World Drive. I really wanted to click pictures in some of these beautiful spots, but there was so much rush and people were just pushing to click photos, so I just avoided it because I can't do that pushing stuff. Anyways, we are out now into the fest area and let's see how it's gonna be out here. I can just see a lot of rush at present, but I just hope that it's gonna be good, better than the Kukruku Fest. So yeah, let's see. We already had our tickets, but then there were counters here as well, which you could buy tickets on the spot. And then we just had to take bands to wear inside the festival. So Guri and I have one band. Zian has two because his has that Lego thing included. So you need a separate band for that.
Zian, look at this one. This is so pretty.
So inside here is the Lego section, which was extra for the kids. They can go in here and spend as much ever time they want. तो यार आओ चलो पहले तो देखते हैं यहाँ पे है क्या क्या. काफी वेल डेकोरेटेड है, स्टॉल्स भी बहुत क्यूट हैं, बट यार रश भी बहुत है. But as of now what I can see, there are some DIY stalls, फिर कुछ food stalls हैं, फिर कुछ products sell हो रहे हैं, and then there's a lot of music going on, फिर कुछ games भी हैं. So यार काफी अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में. The best part is it's so well decorated and then there are some of these cartoon figures as well. So very nice experience for kids and also adults यार, क्यों नहीं. And then there's live music and I think they're singing so well. और यार फिर foodies के लिए यहाँ food stalls भी खूब सारे हैं और best part है they are hygienic, जो सबसे important है आजकल. And I can see a lot of drink stalls. So काफी कुछ है यहाँ, बाद में और डिटेल में देखेंगे. The decoration all around is so much on point and the live music is just a bonus.
When I saw you standing there,
my favorite part is that pets are allowed and I can see so many dogs around. My favorite. So now we are taking this card. It has to be filled with money. You can recharge it how many ever times you want and it can be used for stalls, for activities and all that.
Aim, Gio, aim. Oh, almost.
So ये थोड़ी सी यहाँ games हैं, but the games are quite dumb actually. You just get 3 chances and I think one game costs 150 rupees, which is actually stupid because you're just getting 3 chances.
Aim. Gio, aim. There's no hurry. Very good.
So यार अभी ये जा रहा है लेगो सेक्शन में. ये अंदर जाके कुछ भी बना सकता है. He can create something of his own. और फिर एक ट्री है यहाँ पर जिसपे वो उसे लगाएंगे.
I requested him.
This is the Lego tree. Look how tall it is.
What is there here? Oh, let's see.
You want to make your own whipped cream soap? You can make a soap and take it home, take a bath
really love how they've done up this stall, and the soaps also look really attractive. They have candles, soaps, bath bombs and various such things, and all of them are really well made. So I also make all these soaps, candles, bath bombs. So I'm not gonna buy anything, but I definitely want to appreciate their work. So this stall is also really beautifully done up. So it's a DIY candle making stall where kids or anybody can just make whatever they want. I mean candles, they can decorate it themselves and do everything about it. But there's so much of crowd over here that I didn't get a chance to take a video well of this place or find out more about it.
Thank you.
Want to at least have a look at other characters? No, you're very sure.
So now these are all the stalls by Hamleys, and they have all the Christmas kind of stuff, New Year Christmas kind of stuff, actually decoration stuff, or gifting things, artifacts, things like that. But they seem to be quite empty, there's nobody in them. So guys, this fest is held every year in Geo World Drive, and I think it starts from 15th of December and continues till 25th or 30th of December depending. And all those of you who did not attend it this year can do it next year. You just have to check on Book My Show, book your tickets and be there over here. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Your kids are also going to love it. So this would definitely be a good experience. I would definitely recommend this festival for all the people who are looking forward to go to a festival kind of a thing in Mumbai.
Yes. It's okay. I can take a video.
So now we are a bit hungry and are searching for something nice to eat. कुछ थोड़ा सा खाएंगे and then we'll also drink something. We have quite a few options और ये नहीं कि बस मीठा ही मीठा है, और भी snacks and everything is there. The pricing is also decent, so you pay for quality.
Yes. Hi.
We have a hot chocolate. We have whole strawberries with.
I want this one.
This one?
Strawberry chocolate.
Strawberry with chocolate.
Can I see? Hold it. Strawberry chocolate. How is it? Nice. How's yours, Guri?
Flavor is different. Rest everything is same.
The strawberry chocolate was heavenly. I just loved it. Too good, yeah.
Little bit of Mary all night long. Little bit of Jessica, here I am. Little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man.
Everything that we tried was really good, hygienic, clean, tasty.
And this one is the song.
So he's going to play his games again.
First I'll get level 1 gift, then level 2 gift, then gift.
Stand careful, okay? Concentrate. Very good.
टाइम 1 मिनट होता है पेड सब गेम्स
Yeah.
ध्यान रखना है तुमने कोई भी गिरे
Alert, Rebus. Fast. Arzu.
वेरी गुड
जितनी की उतनी दे ना, एटलीस्ट 4 तो की.
So on playing each game, how much ever you have won, you get these stickers in this diary kind. And at the end of it, how many ever stickers you have collected, you'll get some gift.
Rush today in this mall also, I guess, because it's
legs have gotten really tired और बाहर बैठने की कोई जगह नहीं है, इसलिए हम थोड़ी देर के लिए मॉल में आए हैं to just rest a bit। और यहाँ तो यार unnecessary रश है, आप विंडो से देखो नीचे फेस्ट की तरफ, यहाँ पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ दिखाई दे रही है ना। नाउ दिस इज द वर्स्ट पार्ट अबाउट बॉम्बे, लिटरली आप जहाँ भी जाओ यार इतना रश होता है, जहाँ भी चले जाओ।
रश देखो आप कितना ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे। आई लव दिस डेकोरेशन, इतनी सुंदर लग रही है।
Let's go inside. Woo!
Stand careful. Very good. हाँ जल्दबाजी नहीं, एम। You can see the rush at this time. स्लो में चला। ओ यार बंद ही हो गया।
This food stall is really nicely done up and they have some really tempting sweet dishes, but we are not gonna have anything क्योंकि हमने पहले ही बहुत शुगर खा ली। I mean थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही हो गया। That strawberry chocolate was so good कि हमने और कुछ देखा ही नहीं। And yeah, we don't want to be loaded up just with sugar. So यार हमने सोचा था कि ज़ियान को कुछ DIY एक्टिविटीज तो कराएंगे, बट यहाँ रश ही नहीं खत्म हो रहा। There's such a queue, the seats are occupied। तो आज मुझे चांस कम ही लग रहा है इसका।
There's so much rush because I've not been able to take videos properly in some areas. There was a snow blizzard. I missed that out because of the rush here. I didn't reach it. By the time I reached, I only could see the snow on Zian's head.
बोनस वाले ओ फिर आ गया बात।
Zian, aim, okay, aim. Very good.
Why would I?
How many you want?
But I ordered all now.
All? All? No, I can't give you all.
Okay, so we won this, no? Yes. Nice.
Finally, we are done with the fest and we are heading back home. I have a suggestion for you guys. So next year, if you plan to visit this fest, do visit it. It's really nice. Don't miss out on it. But only avoid coming here on Christmas Day, that is 25th. Now, this fest is at least for 15 days. So you can come on any other day except for the day of Christmas. And the only reason is the overcrowd. So, you know, it's so crowded that your child won't be able to do most of the things. And that is why it's better to come on the other days instead of Christmas. I really hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned and do subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.